Hi guys, welcome again to another toy unboxing review. This time we will unbox and review this beautiful car from Matchbox. This is the Mazda MX5 Miata from Matchbox. So the card art, the car looks exactly the same. Let's see if the back shows some more cars. No, it doesn't. So this one comes from the K case. So let's open this one right now. So here's the car. And by the way, if you hear sound of a chicken at the background, pardon me for that, but we do have a lot of chickens here at the backyard, so I hope it doesn't you guys don't really mind that. So here's the car. Now this is now this is pretty well made. Although I typically don't like gray or silver paint job, this one still looks pretty neat, probably because of the shape of the car. The rims have a chrome lip. This one has a plastic base. So this is a 2015 Mazda MX5 Miata. So the interior has good details. Let's add another light so that you can see better. And the interior has good details. Now what I don't like about this car is the temples here at the hood and at the back. So I don't quite get it why they put temples here and with this particular design. So maybe I'll remove that. Now I've tried using alcohol for removing temples, so we'll try it out. And pretty cool looking car. Good details overall. The molding, the outline is good. I like the front and rear headlight temples. So Mazda, it also has the Mazda logo at the front and at the back, and the MX5 logo at the back. So let's start now with the removal of the temples. So we'll try using cotton buds and alcohol to remove the temples. So that doesn't work. So alcohol doesn't work. Now let's try acetone. Be careful in applying acetone because it can remove the clear coat of the car, of the paint job, I mean. So, and do it slowly. There. So acetone works. The paint is still shiny. I use a new cotton bud for the other side of the car. At first it's hard to remove, but once you keep on wiping it off, it comes off really quite easily. And be careful not to wipe the headlight, because we don't want the headlight samples gone. So we'll do the back sample here. Let's add more acetone. Okay, that's pretty good. So you can see here that the top coat of the paint is still there because the paint is still shiny. So again, I'm quite happy with the result here. And so I remove the samples of the front and back, and while we're at it, we'll outline the car with the Sharpie. So let's start off here. Now you should do it slowly. Now you can if you make a mistake here, you can remove it by just wiping it off with alcohol. Our Sharpie is not writing quite well. Again, I made a mistake, and you can remove it by using alcohol, and it comes off easily with alcohol. Again, one wipe and it comes off quite easily. So this is just a simple way to add details to the car. So there's some tiny errors there. You can easily remove it with alcohol. Now it's important not to be in a hurry while detailing your car this way. Oops, again. So let's apply alcohol on this tiny part. And it just comes off quite easily. So you can see here that the car outline has really improved already. So that's my unboxing, review, and detailing of the Matchbox Mazda Miata MX5. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Goodbye.